जय मां भारती। समाचार अखिल ब्रह्मांड की, भूत भविष्य वर्तमान की। आई हार्टली वेलकम you to the PME समाचार चैनल from the international world. Russia is a transcontinental country located in Eastern Europe and Northern Asia, covering an area of 1,71,25,000 square kilometers. It is the largest country in the world by area, spanning more than 1/8 of the world's inhabited land area, stretching 11 time zones and bordering 16 sovereign nations. The territory of Russia extends from the Baltic Sea in the west to the Pacific Ocean in the east, and from the Arctic Ocean in the north to the Black Sea and the Caucasus in the south. Indo-Russian relations are the bilateral relations between India and Russia. During the Cold War, India and the Soviet Union had a strong strategic, military, economic and diplomatic relationship. After the dissolution of the Soviet Union, Sino-Russian relations, also known as China-Russia relations, refers to international relations between the Peoples of Republic of China and the Russia Federation. Diplomatic relations between China and Russia dramatically improved after the dissolution of the Soviet Union and the establishment of the Russian Federation in 1990. Tsunami in China, against 100 million Chinese in crisis due to Corona. Canada, Australia against China. In Pakistan, against the Pakistan police and government in Gilgit-Balochistan, the students blew up the trumpet. Imran Khan gave evidence of his being a terrorist nation by calling terrorist Laden a martyr in a parliament. Environment. The Irtysh is a river in Russia, China and Kazakhstan. It is the chief territory of the Ob and is also longest tributary river in the world. The Irtysh main tributaries include the Tobol, Daimanaka and the Ishim. Invention. Urea, also known as Carmabide, is an organic compound. This amide has two NH2 groups joined a carbonyl functional group. Urea serves an important role in the metabolism of nitrogen containing compounds by animals and is the main nitrogen containing substance in the urine of mammals. Sushruta or Sushrut was an ancient Indian physician known as the main author of the treatise, the Compendium of Sushruta. The Mahabharata is an ancient Indian epic text, represents him as son of Vishwamitra. Coincidence that the present recension of Sushruta Samhita. He is one of a number of individuals described as the father of surgery and the father of plastic surgery. State. Himachal Pradesh is a northern Indian state in the Himalayas. It's home to scenic mountain towns and resorts such as Dalhousie, host to the Dalai Lama. Himachal Pradesh has a strong Tibetan presence. This is reflected in its Buddhist temple and monasteries as well as its vibrant Tibetan New Year celebrations. The region is also well known for its trekking, climbing and skiing areas. Crops. Muri, also known as Mudhi or Murai or Lama or Mamra or Parmal or Puri or C Purit or Mure, is a type of a puffed grain from the Indian subcontinent made from rice, commonly used in breakfast cereal or snack foods and served as a popular street food in India, Pakistan, Nepal and Bangladesh. Fruits. Manikara Japota, commonly known as Sapotilla Sapota chiku, naseberry or Nisepura is a long-lived evergreen tree native to southern Mexico, Central America and the Caribbean. An example natural occurrence is in coastal Yucatan in the Petens mangroves ecoregion where it is a subdominant plant species. Benefits of chiku: help in digestion, source of antioxidants, good for the bones. Flowers: Saraka ashoka is a plant belonging in the Datordia subfamily of Lasium family. It is an important tree in the cultural traditions of the Indian subcontinent and adjacent area. It is sometimes incorrectly known as Saraka indica. The flower of Ashok tree is the state flower of Indian state of Odisha. Yoga: Hamsasan or swan pose is a yoga asana which resembles a swan when performed. Benefits of Hamsasan range from improved digestion to stretching of the arms and abdominal muscles. In Sanskrit, Hams means the swan and hence the name Hamsasan. Universe: Lhotse is the fourth highest mountain in the world at 8,516 meters after Mount Everest, K2 and Kanchenjunga. Part of the Everest massif, Lhotse is connected to the latter peak via the South Pole. Lhotse means South Peak in Tibetan. In addition to the summit at 8,516 meters above sea level, the mountain comprises the smaller peaks Lhotse Middle at 8,414 and Lhotse Sar at 8,383 meters. The summit is on the border between Tibetan of China and the Khumbu region of Nepal. Mathematics: statics is the branch of mechanics that is concerned with the analysis of loads acting on physical systems that do not experience an acceleration equals to zero but rather are in static equilibrium with their environment. Ayurveda: Hericium spectatum is a plant species native to China, the Himalaya, Myanmar, Thailand and Ethiopia. Hericium spectatum is a small hardy perennial that grows to around 1 meter with green leaves and a large orange and white flowers. The fruit of this species may be cooked and eaten with lentils in savory dishes. Curds, rhizomes, both fresh and dried, are very aromatic and with a fragrant, somewhat pungent smell similar to Odis root but more powerful. The students of Prema Lok Mission School said that now we will set Aksai India, not Aksai China. City village: Ujjain is an ancient city beside of the Krispa River in the central India state of Madhya Pradesh, an important Hindu pilgrimage destination. It's known for the centuries-old Mahakaleshwar temple, a towering structure with a distinctively ornate roof. Nearby, Bade Ganesh temple houses a colorful statue of Ganesh, the elephant-headed, a Hindu deity. Harsiddhi temple features a pair of tall dark pillars studded with lamps. 26 June, Beautifications Day, World Refrigerator Day, Cream Tea Day, Chocolate Pudding Day, Cano Day, International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking Falls. Weather news: heavy damage due to typhoon in Bihar. Today's temperature in Delhi 33 degrees Celsius and in Patna 26 degrees Celsius. The Amarnath is a Hindu shrine located in Jammu and Kashmir, India. The cave is situated at an altitude of 3,888 meters, about 141 km from Srinagar, the summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir, and reached through Pahalgam town. The shrine forms an important part of Hinduism and is considered to be one of the holiest shrines in Hinduism. The cave is surrounded by snowy mountains. The cave itself is covered with snow most of the year except for a short period of time in summer when it is open for pilgrims. Let's start the pronunciation of some words. Candidate. Notice the first D. Say candidate, not candidate. Delayed, the first word, has also 2 syllables, not 3. Say delate, not dilate. Today is for that's all. I take for tomorrow leave. Stay healthy, be happy. माँ भारती की जय.
ॐ द्यौः शान्तिरन्तरिक्ष गों शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवाः शान्ति ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वगुण शान्ति शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः